Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this cute Dumbo in Fish It Roblox. So the cute Dumbo or the Dumbo Octopus is officially the most adorable creature in the game. And here I'm going to show you the exact location and also the bait that it loves and the time. So for the exact time, I don't know if it's related, but I got it at night time, and I'm using Element Road with the singularity bait. And as for the location, I'm gonna show you. I got the Dumbo while I fish at the top of this crystal right here inside the crystal depths. So try your luck to catch the cute Dumbo in Fish It. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.